The prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, is a very worried brother. Pray with great pleasure. There are only so many arguments in the house after the wedding. The mother does not like the wife. My mother doesn't like it. Explain to your mother that your wife is angry. Explain to the wife, the mother is angry. I'm worried about getting married. I am getting divorced. So I tell the young ones, I'm going live today. Perhaps someone's house will be saved. Remember that the first 4 to 5 years of marriage are always difficult. Do not rush to judgment. Ask those who have been married for 35 years. They had been married for 5 years. Everyone in the house is in the beginning. Then a new guest came into the house. Lord, they do not understand. It is a separate household. It takes a little time to understand each other's moods. Allah is the son of Allah. The family of the children, they also know their families. He will not return, but he will return. The mother also understands the wife. Then the car goes off. The true comfort of the marriage comes after 5 years. Okay, my kids don't hurry. You decided it. There are a lot of girls too. Then he was married. 6 months later, I started talking to my father. I don't live in this house. My mother-in-law is like that. My husband is like that. I want a divorce, and my father says, divorce. Allah's servants are the only ones who divorce women. It's not easy to get back together again, and then they find themselves in their own home. I don't know why they don't understand. My sisters went home with 2 children. I will divorce. How long will my father keep me? The father died again. Then what happened to you? Then your brothers will take care of those who have been married to them. People are so quick to decide on a divorce. It seems time. This relationship is not for 2 or 4 years. It is a lifelong relationship. Allah will make the gardens a paradise every time you decide to finish. Get a divorce now. This is a great blessing from Allah. The right to divorce is in the hands of men. If it is in the hands of a woman, every other servant would have been divorced. That is their decision. And my sisters, I ask my brothers, those who witness to me and my father, these are the things the mother and father do. Don't worry about divorce, I'll keep it. Never show your daughter the way. Rather say to him, stay at home. It takes some time. Allah's mercy will be upon him, and the next life will be a happy life. And he said to me, you have given me advice. I decided to divorce. Praise be to Allah for a while. Everybody in my family has been understanding. I have a very happy life. This is what the Quran says. Maybe you have another good one. Allah is this family. There is no such thing as breaking up today. Give him time, and Allah will do good. Allah will bring good things forward.